or not so fun. So interesting video, let's just say. I am driving down Main Street right now, and there was, you know, it's Oklahoma, so we have massive storms out here. Once again, we've dodged several, but this one hit the area over here. I have, you know, being a landlord or having rental properties, you don't want to have all your houses in one location, but so I don't. I have them in, two of them are in one location, actually, here in this town. I just turned off Main Street. Now we're gonna go down here, okay? Isn't that right, Bob? And so you want to get rental properties spread around for this reason if you're out in Oklahoma, because, and I'm trying not to video because there's a lot of people outside because the damage is around here. So we're just going to drive. Here, we're going to pull off right here. Look, right here you'll see already there's a tree down. That's not good. There's a tree down right here. Okay. Right by my duplex is right over here. So let's go ahead. There's a tree branch right over there. Trees down over here. Okay. We had 80 to 100 mile per hour winds right here last night. So I'm doing a drive around. Okay. I'm driving down the alley right now. At the duplex. Everything looks okay here. Okay, so here's my duplex over here. Let's see here. Okay, I'm trying to try not to video my tenants. That's not good. Okay, we got a tree down right here. Okay, so those trees snapped right there on the fence line of my duplex. They're home right now. There is a tree branch on the roof, a little one right here, you can see. Nothing major. And you can see that tree on the left side over here, there's a tree limb on the fence. Okay, I do this, it's good to get a video just in case, you know, claims or whatever, guys. You want to be the one. I'm one of the first. It's in the morning time, so first we're gonna drive around and look around. That's what we're doing. It's my house. And make sure there's nothing going on. We don't want to, you know, make sure that if something did happen, we see it. Look, there's a tree down over here. Look at all that. I mean, these are big limbs, guys. I know the videos don't do justice. Okay, now here, I'm on the other side of the duplex right now. There's some limbs down over there. I'm on the other side of the duplex right now here. This is the front yard. Let me see if, make sure no one's outside. Hello? Let me pause you for a minute. I'm pulling out right now of the duplex, and you can see this is basically my corner right here. I'm going to show you right down the road where the other property is, right down here. Okay, we're going one block right here. Okay, that's the first block. Now we're going the second block to this stop sign. It's the second block. that's just 2 blocks, just 2 blocks away. And we're gonna go check on this property now. Sorry, I couldn't talk back there because all my tenants were outside and I was trying to keep it private. Okay, now that's just 2 blocks away and we're right here. Here's the other property, okay? And there's already, I can see there's some limbs down. There's 1 limb down in the road. There's a limb down, 2 limbs in the road, 3 right there. Here's my yard. Okay, there's gonna be a few limbs in the yard. Let's go. I just filled that trench in last night before the rain, right there. So that looks good, but you can see I just filled that in and all these limbs just from last night. I was here until 1:30 at night. Today's the next day. Okay, I'm gonna get out and walk around. We got a limb on the roof. Quite a limb there. Big storm last night. There's a limb in the yard. What we got here? A couple of limbs. Okay, it doesn't look like it's terrible. Might have hit that vent. It looks like it hit that vent. That might have been a good thing. All right, let's see what we got back here. Definitely, there's some water, look. Tree branch right here. A lot of water, guys. Wow. There's another limb on this side of the roof. Wow. Look at this. Look how close these landed to the house. Didn't even scratch it. Look at that. Big old branch. Some branches right here. Look at this one. Wow. That's about a 15-foot branch. Ripped right off. Blew across. Probably came from up there. Wow, guys. Look how it landed right next to the trench. Didn't even affect the trench. Those ones might have landed on it. No impressions though. Oh, yep, there is. Look at that. Landed right in the dirt there. And I forgot to mention that big limb that was down right there. How did I miss that? Look, it snapped right here. Lightning strike. This. Good gosh. Oh, yeah. I just tightened down the trampoline. There's the grapes. Yeah, on the wires.
The wars!